Hello students, welcome to topuseducation.com. In this video we are going to discuss NCERT Class 8 Chapter 2 Linear Equation in One Variable Exercise 2.2 Part 3. And now let us discuss 13th problem, that is a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you will get minus 7 by 12 and asked to find the number. Now here the rational number, it is multiplied by 5 by 2 and that product to be added to 2 by 3. Now let us assume the rational number to be x. Let the rational number be x. They given that the x is multiplied by 2, that is x into 5 by 2, and this product is added to 2 by 3, that equals to minus 7 by 12, that is 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 equals to minus 7 by 12. Now this 2 by 3 in the LHS to be transposed to RHS, that is 5x by 2 equals to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. Here for 12 and 3 LCM to be taken, that is LCM is 12 and minus 7 and 3 into 4 equals to 12, that is 4. 4 into 2, 8, that equals to minus 15 by 12. Should be cancel this 3 4s and 3 5s. Now 5x by 2 equals to minus 5 by 4, and these 5 by 2 in the LHS to be transposed to RHS side, that is x equals to minus 5 by 4 into 2 by 5, and these 5 and this 5 get cancelled, 2 1s 2 2s, that is x equals to minus 1 by 2, and the rational number according to the question is minus 1 by 2 is the solution. And this is about the 13th problem. Now let us discuss 14th question, that is Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. And how many notes of each denomination has? Now let us see the solution, that is she has 100 rupee notes and 50 rupee notes and 10 rupee notes are in the ratio 2:3:5. Now let us assume she has the notes of 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. Now let us see the values of the amounts, that is 100x first, that equals to 2x into 100 rupees, that is 200x. She has the 100 rupee notes of 200x. Now let us see 50 rupees, that is 3x into 50, that equals to 150x. And now 10 rupees, that equals to 5x into 10, that is 50x. These are the amounts she has. Now they said that according to question she has the total amount of 4 lakh rupee. When we add all these amounts, she will have 4 lakh rupees. Now let us see that is 200x plus 150x plus 50x equals to 4 lakh rupee. Now let us add this 200x plus 150x plus 50x equals to 400x, that equals to 4 lakh. And now this 400 to be taken to RHS, 4 lakh divided by 400. For this 0 0 cancel, 4 ones, and now x equals to 1000. And according to this x, we should calculate how much amount of denominations she has. Now 100 rupee notes, that equals to 200 into 1000, that equals to 2 lakh. And 50 rupee notes, that is 50 rupees equals to 150 into 1000, that is 1,50,000. And now 10 rupee notes equals to 50 into 1000, that is 50,000. And this is about the 14th problem. Now let us see 15th problem, that is I have total of 300 rupee in coins of denomination 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins. The number of 2 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are there with me? Now let us see the solution. Here that I have 300 rupee in my hands in coins, and I have 1 rupee coins, 2 rupee coins and 5 rupee coins also. And now let us assume the number of ₹5 coins is x. Now 2 rupee coins is 3x, and number of 1 rupee coins is 160 minus, here 160 is that the total number of coins is 160. From that 160 we have to subtract these 2 rupee and 5 rupee coins. We will get 1 rupee coins, that equals to 160 minus 4x. And now value of 5 rupee coins is 5 into x, that is 5x. And similarly value of 2 rupee coins is 3x into 2. 2 rupee coins has 3x, that is 6x. And now 1 rupee coins value equals to 160 minus 4x into 1, that is 160 minus 4x. Now according to the question, (5x plus 6x plus 160 minus 4x equals to, total I have 300 coins, and 5x plus 6x 11x plus 160 minus 4x equals to 300, and 11 minus 4 7x minus 160 equals to 300, and 7x equals to 300 minus 160. that equals to 140. Now 7x equals to 140 and x equals to 140 by 7, that equals to 20 and x value is 20. Now let us see the denomination of each coins, that is first 5 rupee coins. That is 5 into x, that is 5 into 20 equals to 100. Now 2 rupee coin, that is 2 into 3x, that is 6x. 6 into x value 20, that equals to 120. And now 1 rupee coins, that is 16 minus 4x, that equals to 16 minus 4 into 20, that equals to 160 minus 80, that equals to 80. And it has the each denomination of 100 rupees, 120 rupees and 80 rupees respectively. And this is about the 15th problem. Now let us see the 16th question, that is the organizers of an essay competition decided that the winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees and the participant who does not win will get a prize of 25 rupees. The total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Here the total number of participants is given and asked to find the total number of winners and runners. Now let us see the solution. Here let us assume the number of winners be x and given total number of participants is 63. And now the total number of participants does not win is 63 minus x, total number of participants and minus number of winners, that equals to 63 minus x. Now here the prize money distributed is 3000. And now the total money given to winners is x into 100 rupees for each winner, that is 100x. 25 rupees into 63 minus 4x. This is for not winning candidates. And now according to the question, let us see 100x plus 25 into 63 minus 4x equals to 3000 rupees. Now let us solve this. That is 100x plus 25 into 63 plus here minus 25 into 4x, that equals to 3000. Now let us do 100x plus 25 into 63 is nothing but 1575 minus 25x, sorry here no 4, that equals to 3000. That implies 100x minus 25x equals to, this 1575 is transposed to the RHS side, that is 3000 minus 1575, and now 100 minus 25 is 75x equals to 3000 minus 1575, that is 1425. Now this 75 transposed to RHS, 1425 by 75, that is 19, and x equals to 19. Therefore, the number of winners is 19 and not winning candidates is 63 minus 19 is 34, and the total number of candidates is 63. And this is about the 16th question, and these 16 problems are about the exercise 2.2. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 2.3. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.